Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best microwave plates is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked components in your kitchen, ensuring your meals are heated evenly and efficiently. If your current microwave plate is cracked, chipped, or simply not rotating anymore, finding the perfect replacement is crucial for maintaining your appliance's functionality and your peace of mind. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the ideal microwave plate that fits seamlessly and performs optimally, saving you from the hassle of a malfunctioning microwave and ensuring your leftovers are as delicious as when they were first made. Number 5. Impresa 9.6-inch microwave glass plate replacement. Is your microwave plate damaged? This dependable turntable offers a reliable solution for replacing your old plate. It's compatible with many popular brands, ensuring your microwave is back to performing like new. Setting up your new microwave plate is a breeze. With the included 3-part coupler, you can enjoy a tool-free, seamless installation. It's designed to enhance your microwave maintenance routine. Crafted from high-quality tempered glass, this replacement is built to last. It's heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe, making it a durable and convenient choice for your kitchen. This 9.6-inch replacement is designed for broad compatibility. It fits models requiring a 245mm diameter, including many popular brands. Upgrade your appliance for consistent cooking results. Achieve smooth operation by simply aligning the 3-notch coupler with your microwave's interior. Trust this replacement glass plate to enhance your culinary experience and keep your appliance running smoothly. What we like? If you have an LG, Sears, Kenmore, Emerson, or Hi-Point microwave, this is a fantastic option. It's designed for effortless, tool-free installation with its 3-part coupler. Choose this if you prioritize a dependable and easy-to-fit replacement for common microwave brands. What people say? The plate is a perfect fit for my microwave model, ensuring it spins correctly. It's made of durable glass and feels sturdy, not flimsy at all. The design is simple and functional, easy to clean after use. Number 4. Impresa 12.5-inch replacement microwave glass plate. Introducing a durable 12.5-inch glass plate designed to replace your existing microwave turntable. It's compatible with popular brands like GE and Samsung, ensuring a seamless fit for many models. Installation is a breeze with its unique 3-part bushing coupler. You won't need any tools, making it a quick and simple upgrade for your kitchen appliance. This replacement tray is designed to fit a wide variety of microwave ovens, including many GE and Samsung models. Its 12.5-inch diameter meets diverse replacement needs. Enjoy enhanced cooking with even heat distribution. Plus, cleanup is simple as it's dishwasher safe, making it a practical addition to your kitchen. To guarantee a secure and effective fit, please check the alignment of the bushing coupler with your specific microwave model before purchasing. What we like? For owners of GE or Samsung microwaves needing a larger plate, this 12.5-inch option is ideal. It ensures optimal heat distribution for better cooking results and simplifies cleanup as it's dishwasher safe. If you're looking for a durable and easy-to-maintain replacement for these specific brands, this is the one. What people say? This microwave plate replacement is a perfect fit for my Whirlpool microwave. The glass turntable is sturdy and has a good weight to it, ensuring it stays in place during operation. It arrived well packaged and without any chips or cracks, ready to use right out of the box. Number 3. AMI Parts 9.6-foot microwave glass plate replacement. Introducing a high-quality replacement glass plate, designed specifically for your small microwave. Ensure a perfect fit by measuring your current plate and checking the center coupler. Crafted from thick, food-safe glass, this turntable tray is built to last. It won't warp, stain, or retain odors, ensuring your food remains pure and safe. Enjoy effortless cleaning with its smooth surface. This replacement plate is designed for convenience, making maintenance a breeze after every use. This versatile replacement is compatible with most major brands of small microwave ovens. It's the ideal solution for many households. You'll receive a well-tested, high-quality replacement part. We are committed to providing excellent service and ensuring your satisfaction. What we like? If you own a smaller microwave and are struggling to find a replacement, this 9.6-inch plate from AMI Parts is your solution. It's made from thick, food-safe glass that won't warp or stain, and it's incredibly easy to clean. Opt for this if you need a reliable and safe turntable specifically for compact microwave models. What people say. The plate fits perfectly and works as expected. It's a great replacement for my old microwave plate, looks just like the original. The glass is thick and durable, and it spins smoothly. Number 2. Fetechmate 12-inch microwave glass plate. Ensure a perfect fit for your microwave with our 12-inch glass turntable. It's designed to replace specific Whirlpool models and many others, so please confirm your coupler type and model before ordering to avoid any issues. This replacement turntable is compatible with a wide range of brands like Whirlpool, Maytag, and Kenmore, fitting most 1.5 and 1.7 cubic foot microwaves. It directly replaces multiple part numbers, ensuring a seamless upgrade. Crafted from high-quality, thick borosilicate glass, this plate is heat and crack resistant, ensuring food safety. Its upgraded design provides stable rotation and is easy to clean, either by hand or in the dishwasher. Installing this replacement is straightforward. Simply turn off your microwave, remove the old plate, align the new one with the drive coupler, and ensure it sits flat for smooth rotation. If it's not rotating, check that the model is correct, the roller ring is properly placed, and there are no obstructions. Also, ensure the drive coupler is not worn or misaligned. We stand by our product with 1-year professional support. If you have any questions or concerns about your new glass plate, please don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. What we like. This 12-inch glass plate is specifically designed for Whirlpool and compatible models, offering a precise fit with its unique coupler hole. Made from thick, heat-resistant borosilicate glass, it ensures stable rotation and durability. If you have a Whirlpool microwave and want a high-quality replacement with excellent manufacturer support, this is a strong contender. What people say. The plate is a perfect fit for my microwave. It's made of durable glass and feels very sturdy. The design is simple and elegant, it looks great in my microwave. Number 1. Impresa Replacement Microwave Glass Turntable Plate, 16.5 inch. Introducing the Impresa Replacement Microwave Glass Turntable Plate. It offers durability and reliability for your kitchen needs, ensuring seamless integration with compatible models. Carefully verify your bushing coupler for 3 notches to align with the center of the plate. This 16.5-inch diameter glass plate precisely fits microwaves, enhancing its turntable function. This replacement is compatible with an array of models, including specific Panasonic part numbers. It also complements other brands, making it an all-encompassing solution. Constructed to withstand the rigors of daily use, this replacement promises longevity. Its robust design ensures it endures constant heat, offering a lasting kitchen solution. Optimize your microwave's performance by replacing its glass plate with this high-quality option. It effectively supports even heating, maintaining your appliance's functionality. What we like. For those with larger microwaves, particularly Panasonic, Kenmore, or Sears models, this 16.5-inch Impresa plate is an excellent choice. Its sturdy and durable construction ensures longevity, and it offers versatile compatibility with various models. If you need a robust and generously sized replacement for your larger microwave, this is the one to consider. What people say. The plate is a perfect fit for my microwave. It arrived quickly and was exactly what I needed. The glass is thick and feels very durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.